Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, Nuxt 4.0 is finally out, and boy has it been a long journey. With release promises as far back as June 2024, it has gone through iterations and lots of beta tests to make it work with Vue 3 and Vite, but it's finally here. Now, some people such as myself have been using Nuxt 4 before this official release through the compatibility mode, which gave us the new file structure and some composable upgrades. So, what's new in Nuxt 4 and what is next? So, first off, the new app structure is now standard for new projects, and this is to increase the speed of Nuxt and also better developer experience as server code and app code are now clearly separated. And talking about speed, the CLI is now faster as well. Yeah, especially in development, and although not as fast as Vue.js and Vite, um, I can confidently say it is way faster than what we've been working with. And if I'm to put a number on it, I'd say 2 or 2.5 times faster. And this is because of Node.js compile cache, native file watching, and also socket-based communication, which means the CLI and Vite dev server now communicate via internal sockets instead of network ports, reducing overhead and particularly on Windows. We also now have better data fetching. Yeah, multiple components using the same key with use fetch and use async data um, now share their data automatically. Yeah, there's also automatic cleanup when a component unmounts, so you don't have to explicitly write it. Yeah, you don't have to explicitly write it. And also, according to this blog, of course, Nuxt now separates TypeScript projects for your app code, server code, shared folder, and builder code. Yeah, this should mean better auto-completion, more accurate type inference, and fewer confusing errors when you're working in different contexts. And that's that about that. So, but how do you upgrade? Yes, to upgrade, you just run npx nuxt upgrade dash dash dedupe, and this will handle the upgrade for you. But you also want to go to the upgrade guide so you know what works and what doesn't work. You also want to come to the upgrade guide to see and go through the process of upgrading so you know what works and what doesn't work. Now, while Next isn't going to be with us for very long, at most until the end of 2026, according to the devs. They will be releasing Nuxt5 very soon, which will bring in Nitro V3, Nitro version 3 and H3 version 2, as well as adapting the Vite environment API for an improved and even faster development experience. Now, that's all about the new update. Thank you for watching and have a good one.